In this video, I will show you how to make a second YouTube channel with the same email address. So let's get straight into it. So what we're going to do is open up youtube.com. What I'm going to do is just come up to my profile icon in the top right hand corner. And if I give that a click and come down to switch account, you can see under this email here at the top, I've actually got 3 different channels, and you can see it's the same under this email. I've got another 3 different channels. So it is actually possible to have multiple channels under the same email address. You don't have to set up a separate email address for each channel, so it's a bit easier to manage. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into the channel for the email, so the one you want to make the second channel under. And then what you're going to want to do from there is come to your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, give that a click and come down to YouTube Studio. So once you come across to your studio, you're then going to want to come to this menu on the left hand side. What you want to do is click onto the settings option down here. And then from here, you're going to come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto channel. And it's going to bring up a page that's going to look like this. So the next step is, if you come to the top of the page, you'll see you've got 3 options. You've got basic info, advanced settings and feature eligibility. What you're going to want to do is click onto advanced settings, and then you just want to scroll down to the bottom until you get to this manage YouTube account link down here. Then you just want to go and give that a click. So what's going to happen, you'll be taken across to a page that's going to look like this, and from here all you're going to want to do is come to this section that says your YouTube channel, and underneath your channel you'll see you've got a couple of options available. So what you're going to want to do is click onto the add or manage your channels button down here. It's going to bring up another page that's going to look like this, and this way you can actually come to create multiple channels under that email address. As you can see, there's a button up here which says create a channel. So what you want to do is give that a click, and you would just go through and set up the channel as normal. So you would add the name, tick the box and click on to create set up a channel. And of course what's going to happen, that's going to set up a second channel under that email address. Now of course, as you saw, you can set up multiple, so you're not limited to just 2. You can set up quite a few under each email address. So if this video helped you out, then please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one.